Yeah, it's DJ Urkel from Black Emperor Sound. You know, I'm here with Mikey Q from Extra Quality Entertainment.
You don't know. We in the building.
Yeah, man, and it's that the new upcoming artist will mash up the place.
I don't know me there, man. It's Erica. It's Mikey, we there.
Yeah, man, we're there live in living color.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, man, it's that. So tell the fans them a little about yourself.
I'm there, I know. Jamaica born. Trade those raised me. I don't know. Corona Queens, we there, you know.
All right. Yeah, man. Well, you know, like me say, it's that wicked artist, well versatile. Him give you the Yankee style, him give you the straight yardie style, represent for everybody, you know. And the first track we're going to play, you know, I don't know if you want to tell them something about that tune.
Man, that tune a bad, man. For real, man, I think I hit the artist tune me right now, you know. Think called Memories, you know. Where I stroll down memory lanes, man, because I pay a shot to raise me, so I don't know me if I raise my little shot at them, so I shout them up and down them, man.
Yeah, man. So Mikey Q, you have to take me into that tune, so, you know, we hear what I go on.
Yeah, let's do it. Let's get right into it.
Yeah, the mixtape edition. Courtesy of your boy Esther. Alongside your own DJ Urkel from Black Emperor Sound. My main man Mikey Q from Extra Quality Entertainment. You're gonna be entertained for the next 25-30 minutes by your boy Esther. The mixtape edition. Just go and get your musical ear in gear. Ever hear some nice song. Where is the S that?
Yeah, some little pussy that run off them mountain. They rise up the thing, them man, they'll sing it. They'll show up. Let the car, fire them.
What am I saying?
AK chop him up like cabbage. Anyway me pass through me a cause have it. Better than Bin Laden, George and Saddam. Anyway me go, me a can be good. Boy I can.
Like I said, you won't be entertained by your boy S that.
Yeah, some little pussy that run off them mountain.
Mixtape edition.
They rise up the thing, them man, they'll sing it. They'll show up. Get the car them. Fire them living.
Here we go.
AK chop him up like cabbage. Anyway me pass through me a cause have it. Better than Bin Laden, George and Saddam. Anyway me go, me a can be good. Boy I can this and no get more 10. The man, pussy can't try that again. Me walk and clap it with one and pan rapid. Me speed it too late to say him no.
Yeah man, your boy S that. Like I said, the vibe's
some
nice.
Little pussy that run off them mountain. They rise up the thing them man, they'll sing it. They'll show
hottest
up.
mixtape
Get the car
in the streets right now. Here we go.
AK chop him up like cabbage. Anyway me pass through me a cause have it. Better than Bin Laden, George and Saddam. Anyway me go, me a can be gun. Boy I can this and no get more 10. The man, pussy can't try that again. Me walk and clap it with one and pan rapid. Me speed it
AKA Jamaican Sean.
Siggy jump out, put one in I'm friend. Pussy drop a grung and a ball and a big coof coof cough. Him get 2 9 head. We not throw wood down, we not beg no friend. Ask about me pan the ends where you turn up. Them tell us
don't forget the album drop
gunshot like
August 6th.
Them boy no bad man, I go bring them up. Now I'm telling boy I am one. Remember when soldier gun class?
Song called Memory Lane.
All of the light them lock up on the road in my general. Remember when Junior war with Pumpkin and Jamel, you know? I'm fed I go for the old M16 man under the bed man. Them boy they don't know about nothing.
Big up for them,
walk and clap it and boss it again. Me no care where them come from. The one I know it till them brain jump out and leap and grab. Who no get right top of walk and walk. Me no use karate, me no use gunshot. No gunshot me I use and tackle. Tell Zip fi bring the old 357. Got a load for your pussy we no fear nothing. I want to tell them boy I'm on. When the men buy now. When Ziggy tell the pussy your boy don't cross the line there, you know. Right that's up on trade house man. Pussy try tick to a cross him and about 8 him get. I'm told no. I when the boy them think them a bad man and I run down pon Shogun man and them pop it off pon them man. Man I run and broke him foot man. Who no know badness. I don't know enough.
Like I said, that one is called Memory Lane.
That's my freestyle thing, you know. Yeah, that is shot man.
Your boy S that.
Yo, okay if we do it again, you know. Mad thing man. MFG Empire. With the stay tone man. Yo, Urkel, Black Emperor, and I don't know enough.
That was Memories.